Hi everyone, Mrs. Poole here. I'm just going to show you, if you're in my maths class, what we are doing for maths for the next few days. So you're going to come up to My Learning. Hopefully you've already got there. You're going to click on Maths. You're going to click on Mrs. Poole because I'm your maths teacher. And then you can see here we've got some place value activities to do. Hopefully you've watched this video here and you've watched this video here, and it's refreshed your memory about place value. So when you've watched those two, you're going to make a copy of the slides by clicking on this button. It'll say, would you like to make a copy? You're going to make a copy. When it comes up that you've made a copy, it's taking a very long time. Here it comes. You need to change it to your name. So I'll just put Sam, place value. And then you need to remember to file it into your maths folder. Otherwise, I won't be able to see it and see what you've done. So you can either click on this button here, move, and find your maths folder and move it here. Pretend that this is my maths folder, and we're going to push move here. So you've moved it. And then you're going to work through the activities, okay? So it says solve each riddle and record it in your maths booklet. After you've solved the riddle, place the card in the discard pile. So here's the first one. I'm a 4-digit number. I have a 1 in the hundreds place, a 2 in the ones place, a 0 in the tens place, and I have an 8 in the thousands place. So if I come up here, because it's got an A, and I come up to A, the number that it's telling me, it's got an 8 in the thousands place, a 1 in the hundreds place, a 0 in the tens place, and a 2 in the ones place. So that number there it's telling me is 8,102. So I've solved that one. So I'm going to move that over to that pile there. And you keep going through until you've got numbers in all right up to L. This next activity, you need to move the numbers up here to make the biggest number. So, the smallest number possible, sorry. On this side, you're making the smallest. On this side, you're making the biggest. So the smallest number I can make is 100. And I know that 3 is smaller than 6, so I want 30. 136. Okay, so that's the smallest number I can make. So you're going to do the smallest number on this side and the largest number on this side, the biggest number. This one here, you can see that here the 4 has been underlined, and that's in the tens place, so that means it's got a value of 40. So I'm going to move that over to here, right? And you'll do that for all the underlined numbers. The next activity is you need to order these numbers from the least, the smallest, to the greatest or the biggest. Okay, so all those numbers are in the thousands, but this one hasn't got any hundreds, so I know that's going to be the smallest. And then these two here have both got 200, and that one's got 300. So I know that 300 is bigger than 200, so I'm going to move that one because I know that that one's going to be the biggest. Here I have to look at the 10. So this 10 is 30 and this 10 is 50. And I know that 30 is smaller than 50. Okay, so you just keep working your way through. Same for this one. You need to stretch it out like the slinky and then put the words next to it. And just carry on, okay? So I'm running out of time, but just make sure you read the instructions and give things a go.